Hey guys, Alex here with 911R and Avant-Garde. I'm going to do a quick walk around video kind of showing the paint and some interior features on the Focus RS. Really low mileage example. We just put new tires on it. Super clean, it's like a brand new car. No rock chips in sight. Front lip is fully intact, no scrapes or anything like that. No rock chips in the glass either. All four wheels, no curb rash. Like I said, almost brand new. Has a nice Recaro seats. If I go ahead and sit down. Go ahead and start it. Close the door. You can see you can cycle through all the different menu options. There you go. See 7,272 miles. And the different modes you have here. Got sport mode, track mode, and drift mode, and then also normal. Has the heated steering wheel, traction control, off and on back here.